Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T, and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big red shutter button at the center. To change speed of our slow motion, let's move to right corner button so we can get access to more options about slow motion we can manage. We can pick between two qualities and then between three speeds, so you can stay on whatever you need here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.